Here we go. We warm up a little bit. This is the Murano Lobster, yeah, and I'm gonna cook with chopped cherries, parmesan, shallots and garlic, bacon, mushroom and tomato. Everything is fine?
Yes.
We're gonna start with a little bit of butter. Start of olive oil.
Sorry, no pepper for me, okay?
No pepper, my lady. I'm not gonna put the pepper.
Okay.
Thank you. Go. I'm gonna add some bacon for the smokiness. Mushrooms. And everything is good with shallots and garlic. I'm gonna add shallots later on the garlic. If I'm gonna add now the garlic, I'm gonna burn it and we're gonna give a bitter flavor to the lobster. And we don't really want to spoil the lobster.
Same time, open up your appetite. Tonight we have delicious crab croquette with garlic idol. Then I'll be gonna a crab only. It's okay for you? Oh, no problem. Yeah, only one, yeah? We get something. Yeah?
Thank you, Jose. Now we're gonna add some garlic. Thank you. There we go. We move around the pan, the lobster. Yeah, we move around. We pretend we know what we're doing. Yeah, actually, it is first time. For today, it is first time. Yeah. Now the best part when we're gonna play with the fire, but we need to cool down the pan. If I'm gonna do now the flambe, I'm gonna make it rain because I'm under the sprinkle. So if I'm gonna make the flambe, we're gonna be a big explosion. We're gonna start, so we don't really want that. Cognac, cheers. Here we go. We warm up a little bit. Dijon mustard cream sauce, the sauce for tonight. 2 portions of heavy cream and 1 portion of Dijon mustard. Parmesan. We're gonna help us to make the sauce a little bit more thick. And of course we're gonna give a saltiness, a taste of saltiness to the dish. Mashed potato and baby vegetable. Chopped cherries for more color. Now we're gonna pretend we don't know what we have. Here we go, my lady.
Thank
Chicken
you.
nuggets. I know you like chicken nuggets. Here we go, cheeseburger for you, sir.
Oh, thank you.
Please be careful with the plates. Very, very hot. Yeah. And go try. And
Oh, thank you.
Murano Lobster cooked by me.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I hope you're gonna enjoy the way I enjoy cooking food.
Yes.